Hey guys, Mr. Wahidu Haq here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new laptop, which is a Dell G3 15-inch, 3000 or something. It's a 15.6-inch display. It's got full HD, which is 1080p, anti-glare LED gaming laptop. It's quite cheap actually. Well, it's not cheap. It's gone back to its normal price of 800 quid. But it dropped down to 700 for the, what do you call it? Was it? I don't know, it was just on sale near the Black Friday shit. So yeah, it dropped down a good amount, and because I've been gaming on a normal PC for quite a while now, I thought it's time for an upgrade. If you've not checked my last video out, go check it out. Okay, so the specs are, it's an i5-9300H, which has a base speed of a 2.4 GHz, but it can be, it's got turbo, Intel Turbo Boost, where it can go up to 4.1 GHz, which is almost, that's more powerful than my desktop PC at the moment. It's got 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, 2666, it's got 256 GB SSD and a 1 TB hard drive. So what I'm going to do is change out the 1 TB hard drive and put in my SSD one from my old laptop. It's got a GTX 1050 with 3 GB GDDR5, which is a big upgrade because I was using Intel HD graphics before, and yeah, so most games were lagging. So this will run everything smooth, really smooth. And it's got 2 fans inside, you know. It's got a built-in fingerprint sensor and stuff like that. Let's go ahead. It's got backlit keyboard as well. That's one thing I never had. I got my brother here with me. He's going to do the unboxing for you. What the fuck are you doing? Go straight. There you go. He's cutting along the line. As you can see, it's a very big package. Let me lower the camera for you. You might be able to pull this off. There you go. Careful of it. Let me get it. The Dell laptop, which you should, well, you will know that it's snowing. It's going to be snowing, by the way, guys, tomorrow. I'm recording in December. I'm not sure what date, 10th or 12th or something like that. So yeah, the box itself is just a plain package. Let's have a look on the side. Got nothing much on there. Oh, this is very heavy. It's a lot lighter than my normal laptop, by the way. I'm gonna have to zoom out again. I can lift my camera up just so you can see, guys, my tripod. Not used my tripod in a while. Let me zoom in now. There you go. Okay, so I've got the Dell G15. There's the code. Eclipse Black 15.6-inch. Yeah, same stuff I've been saying. i5-9300H is it's a brand new processor. It's made in 2019, March or something. So that's a really new processor, very efficient. 8 GB of memory, DDR4. It's got 2 hard drives, obviously. 1050, like I said. You got Windows 10 with it, and McAfee LifeSafe, but they don't really matter because I'm going to be swapping them out. Wireless AC and Bluetooth, like my old laptop. 51 watt-hour battery, which is more powerful than my old one. My old one was 30 something. Backlit keyboard, which I'd never had. Integrated audio, this is good, but the speakers are at the bottom like my old laptop. And fingerprint reader, I have one on my old laptop, but that was a USB one, so this is built in, so that's really good upgrade for me. So I'm really happy with that feature. The bot box, there's nothing else on the back. I'm going to go ahead and open this now. It's just a small tab here. Okay guys, let me just zoom out. Wait. There you go. No, do everything. No, put your hands. Okay, so just go straight in here, and then you see this corner now. Oh shit! I think that should be it. Let's double check this corner too properly. Okay, let's hope this opens up. I should have really just took the sellotape off. That's just stuck. There's some sellotape there as well. Let's get these corners. There you go. This is really packaged harshly. There you go. Now we should be okay, hopefully. Alright, let me get the camera to the side a bit so I can have a look. Okay, I'm thinking it's upside down at the moment, so I might have to, yeah. Oh no, it doesn't matter really. Okay, so the laptop's in there, and you got charger ports and stuff in there. So, oh, there you go, it's out now. This feels quite heavy, you know? I'm not gonna lie. It says it's tiny bit lighter than my other laptop, but it feels quite heavy. I don't know. Who knows? Could you hold all the booklets? Silica gel bag, we'll leave that in there. Get the charger out. Let's see what's in there. So that's the only thing in the box, otherwise it's empty. So you got the charger, and oh no, that's all you have, the charger. That charger is massive, guys. I guess I'm gonna zoom back down, then we'll have a look at everything. Grab it, just leave it on the floor now. Should be okay. Carefully. Let's hope it lights up. And let's see what you get. This just your radio thing, warning thing, safety and regulation, don't need that. And then you got the manual itself. Oh no, it tells you the software, the manual's in the software. Okay, so I've got two microphones at the top with the webcam. I've got the power button. There you go. Oh, it's saying when it's on and off. When it's on, the light's on. When it's off, it's off. That's obvious. I'll be honest, this laptop looks pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so we've got a HDMI port, USB 3.1 gen port, two of them. Type C, where? What? Whoa, I got Type C, but it didn't say it before, so that's very odd. Then we've got two USB 2.0s. Alright, then we've got the lock button, Kensington lock thing. Two USB 2.0, got one USB 3.0, 3.1 I mean, and then you got a USB-C 3.1, so I might have to get one of them adapters, because I am used to having two USB 3.0s. It did say that on my Amazon thing, but I don't know, it's weird. And then the two speakers at the bottom, and then some Chinese shit. That's it. I guess we're gonna go ahead and open the laptop now and have a look at it. Or should we have a look at the charger? Okay, we'll have a look at the charger really quickly. Simple charger. Go ahead and pull it out. Simple UK pin charger. Oh, it's quite thin. What the hell? That's thin as fuck. How many take that out of the wall? Look how thin that is. Look how thin that shit is. Oh, that's gonna struggle to get out my extension cord. But yeah, there you go. And then there's a normal charger. Let's see. It does 240 volts at 1.8 amps, or 6.7 amps, and 19.5 volts. Yeah, so that's okay. So it's got a decent charge. Hey, why is it so dirty? Yeah, I'll have to wipe that down somewhere. How? Okay, let's hope the laptop has some charge. We'll have a look at the laptop itself. Right, I'm gonna take this out now. Comes in a simple cover. Okay, this laptop is very heavy. It feels a lot heavier. Whoa, that is nice. That looks fucking sick, guys. 100%. Eh? Yeah, got the Dell sign there. Yeah, it's quite heavy, done it. No, that's the front. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the ground so you can have a look, because otherwise I don't know how to show you. Okay, so you got the Dell sign there. What on earth is that? Alright, it's very hard to actually show you without a table. Okay, so we've got three-tone thing here. This is really nice. Let me show you the sides. You've got the blue tone going along. HDMI super speed port, USB 3.1. We've got a Ethernet port, but it's slim. But then when you want to actually use it, you pull that out and then it goes in. So your Ethernet port actually goes in there. You just pull it out and then shove it in. You've got a 3.5mm jack. That's a charger port there with the light. So we'll look at the back. So you got two fans at the back, like I said, and it says G3 with a nice gloss finish. That looks really nice. So look at the bottom. So there's no quick access panels on this, by the way. So you have to open up the whole laptop just to change the RAM and stuff, which I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna upgrade the RAM from 8 gigs to 16 gigs dual channel DDR4, and then I'm changing the hard drive already as well. And then you got these this thing here. It's like a rubbery thing, so this will stop it from moving around if you have it on your lap and stuff. And yeah, there's the speakers there, the two ones there and one on that corner. Let's have a look here. Okay, that's the back still. Let's have a look at the front. Front is pretty empty. I'm gonna go ahead and open this now. Oh, it's a fingerprint magnet. Might have to wipe it already. Whoa, whoa, ho, ho, ho. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Fucking hell, look at that screen. Yeah, anti-glare really well. It really does this job. But the problem with anti-glare is it's darker than normal. So yeah, hopefully that's not how it is. So you got this big trackpad. Oh, that feels very weird compared to my normal one. Feels a lot different. Okay, thermal cooling inside. Look at that. Game shift. NVIDIA discrete graphics gaming. This is very heavy, guys. It does not feel lighter than the other laptop that I have. I think it's because all the weight is mainly in the middle, whereas my other one is the weight is spread around. Okay, so we've got GeForce GTX i5, and you got the fingerprint sensor inside the actual thing. I'm not sure how it works, but yeah, let's turn this on. Should I turn it on? Yeah. Okay, guys, you can see the first turn on. Are you ready, guys? Boom. Let's hope it's charge. No, you press it. I don't think it has charge. What the fuck? They could at least charge it for me. Motherfuckers. Guys, guess I can't charge it at the moment, so you're gonna have to wait for that. So I'm gonna charge it up and then set it all up and change my old hard drive into it. I'll put my SSD into it. So I'll have a M.2 drive and SSD running at the same time. So it'll be rapid. And I'll have all my files, games, everything. I won't have to reinstall them all again. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Thank you guys for watching. Check out my laptop videos on this. I'll probably do some benchmarks and stuff. I'll see you guys.